Welcome to Never a Dull Moment. As usual, I'm Greg, but today I'm with Dikristo of Dikristo Knives here at the 2023 Blade Show. We stopped because we love culinary knives and we saw something beautiful that caught our eye. We're going to ask the man himself, the maker of the knives, to tell us about these beautiful works of art he's made. Please share with us what you have here at the show.
Thank you. Hello to all. So I'm specializing in culinary knives, in kitchen knives, as you can see. I prefer to make some functional art.
Functional art?
Yes. You can use them in the kitchen.
Yes.
This one is Damascus, stainless Damascus.
Is the Damascus continuous or is it cladded?
Yes, it's continuous.
Okay, nice, beautiful.
Yeah.
Is it a stainless steel?
It's stainless steel and it's super light. If you can.
I was going to say it's very thin. It's very light.
It's very thin. It's tapered.
Very thin.
It's tapered as all kitchen knives should be. It's extra thin behind the edge.
Full tang or partial tang?
It's partial tang. Because it's basically it's half tang. It goes until right here, and it has hidden pins inside.
Yes.
Of course.
And then I notice it's only a little bit flat.
It's until the 1/3, about the 1/3.
Okay.
Because I use them to push cut, draw cut, and also rocking motion.
Absolutely.
And able to do all three kinds of motions, in the kitchen.
Absolutely. And then this is another type of Damascus or an etching here on this one?
Yes, no, this is similar. This one is a K-tip Giotto, with the type of steel. And this one is a typical Giotto. Okay. This was called Fafnir.
Okay, beautiful.
Yes, it's deeply etched.
You can definitely feel the texture. Probably good for food release.
Yeah, it's good for food release. It's super thin.
Super thin.
Yes, and also tapered.
Yes.
It's good. Has perfectly balanced. You see, 50-50 balance.
And what is this made of? I love this. It's natural wood into a resin.
It's natural dyed wood. It has the spacers, the brass spacers. It has gold leaf with carbon fiber.
Right.
Also, it has gold leaf with resin.
Love it.
And with my signature hand.
I like the color. I like the color contrast. And then we have the Sujihiki over here, meat slicing knives.
Yes, exactly. This one
Paring knives, you've got everything.
Sujihiki. It's super light. Go ahead.
Absolutely. Super thin, great for slicing. Very little resistance, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Not so much texture. I don't feel the texture on this.
But it's a short blade, so you don't need essentially a food release.
Extremely thin. This is very China to me, like Chinese.
The good.
Like I feel like the end of it. I feel like I'm in a kung fu fighting movie.
Yeah. It's live edge essentially. It's the end of the wood.
Love it.
Yeah.
I don't think I've seen that.
No, we have not.
We have not seen that, so that's definitely original. And then next to it.
Yeah, next to it we have something different. It's a slicer too, like the Sujihiki, but more, let's say, Western style.
Again, not cladded. Damascus cladded onto.
It's Damascus Sanmai.
Okay, Sanmai. Okay, absolutely.
It's carbon and brass.
Yes.
It has carbon fiber. I made it myself.
Okay.
Also brass, and these fittings are inlays. You can see it also in the back.
Beautiful. So you had to cut that piece out and push it in to inlay it, lacquer over the top.
Yeah. Now it's sealed. It's forever.
Perfect. Yeah. And then we've got everything over here from fighting knives to large gyutos. We have Kuritsu K-tips, K-tips.
K-tips.
And then more cladded Damascus.
Yes, Mokume Damascus. Sanmai.
It has a very space age medieval feel. It's modern and old at the same time.
Unique combination.
Exactly.
Is this your first time at the Blade Show?
It's my second time, and each time I strive to be better,
I was going to ask, it's been good for you?
Yeah, it's great. It's great.
Very good. How do people buy your knives?
They can buy me directly, or I make very few commissions, but mostly through my newsletter.
Yes.
I release my knives through newsletter.
For a drop that's coming out?
Yeah, exactly.
Absolutely. So we're going to go ahead and put your description and your information on YouTube. let people know. We will also have this information available on our Instagram. We will contact you and let you know when it's live.
Wonderful.
If you want to make links of all this on the show, you're more than welcome to. We appreciate your time. Good luck at the show.
Nice to meet you.
So this man is doing something unique we haven't seen. We're glad to share it with you. Again, from the 2023 Blade Show, signing off. Stay tuned for more content.